Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Talent Traders. In this video, I'm going to use a charting scanners to find out the Camarilla R4, R5 and S4, S5 and S6 levels. So mostly the R4 S4 levels are available. Some of the indicators only having R5 and S5 and some very few indicators which showing you the R6 and H6, that is H6, R6 or S6 or L6. Okay, so that level, so using our scanners and screeners, this is what a scanner which I have earlier made up to R5 level. So one of my student who are asking about a Camarilla R6 levels and the S6 levels, maybe it have some strategies to develop based on this levels, and asking me to develop that particular scanner, finding out R6 and S6 levels, and this is what a Camarilla levels which I used to find out the levels. So now I'm just going to create an indicator, and based on that I'm just going to derive the levels of that particular Camarilla R4, R5 and R6. Okay, and same like that S4, S5 and S6 or L6. S or L both are same, and H or R both are same. So this is what an one indicator CD Camarilla all levels. So it's showing you up to Camarilla H6 and as well as L6. So by using to get a values of that particular indicator, so we need to use a dashboard. So I'm just creating a dashboard, maybe test. Okay, so in this particular dashboard, I'm just finding out whatever the stocks in Camarilla levels only. Already we made one video regarding all the Camarilla levels. So I am just going to add, and I'm just starting with the new from my one. Okay, so already we know the pivot point, which already we are created a pivot point, so as a customized indicator. So based on that pivot point, this is also be the same, and which I have created, that is also be the same. Okay, but in case of pivot only, so I just use the pivot point as a pivot. Okay, so we have to given the name. Okay, so the second one which I used is only I need to go for a R4, R5 and R6. Okay, so not to 1 2 3 4 levels, and 4 5 6, and I'm just going to verify the levels whether it is working right or wrong, okay, so once it is right, and we can easily create a scanners based on this particular indicator. So one is about a Camarilla resistance 4 as a resistance 4, maybe cam R4, so that we have the name, and which I simply copied. Let me copy this, and we can increase one more thing. Yeah, here I need to add a new Camarilla R6, and one more thing is resistance 5. So let me drop down the pivot in the center, and one more thing which we have added, Camarilla support 4. Okay, so is as a cam support 4, yes 4, and this one cam R5, cam R6, and same like that. I'm just copying it. This is a creating a dashboard, and support 5 and cam L6. Okay, so this one will be cam ES5 and cam ES6. So I'm just making this particular thing which showing you the levels for R1, R2, S1, S2, something like that. So here you can show you how many symbols which you want, and I'm just always focusing on future and option shares. So there I'm just going to change it in future and option shares, and start by which one we can try for. So based on the name, here it's showing you symbol. Okay, let me go for, yeah, it is based on the symbol. Okay, run this. More of Bank Nifty, everything will be there. Open start based on pivot, and one more thing, symbol. Yeah, same will be there. So add to dashboard, and we have to give the some name for this and submit it. So here we have to change it, and how to add some colors, and if you want a bigger, so you can drag and save layout. So now we got it, and edit, and we can add some colors, and it is a darker one and slightly where in blue and this side maybe green. So this way you can customize your colors also. Okay, run and see. So whatever the colors you want, so you can. So this is what the levels where I get it for a stock. So for a bank nifty, the levels, yeah. So this is what one day advance levels based on the today's values. It is showing you the tomorrow's value. So this one for exactly tomorrow's value. If you want to yesterday's value, so because Camarilla levels which we calculate based on the previous day value. So if I am just to go for an one day ago, so this will exactly show you tomorrow's level. But if I'm using a 1 days ago, and it will be showing you today's value, that is what yesterday, because already market over, next market session would be tomorrow, that would be this would be showing you yesterday's value. So where you can look at this, for example, I will go with the bank nifty. So let me mark what is the levels for a bank nifty and R4, R6, L4. So exactly R6 is 51,423.67, R5 51,272.33, R4 51,142.75, and ES level, support 4 equal to 58 to 8.65, and support 5 is about of 5699.07, and S6 is 5547.173. So where I'm just exactly taking this levels R4, R5, R6, and S4, S5, S6. So let me check with the charts. Here R5 level, R6 level 54, 51, 423.67, perfectly we got it. And the second one is 5127 2.33, that is also exactly right. So both the values R4 and R5, sorry, R6 and R5, R4 value 142.75, that is also right. And then the support values, the S6 is something around 547.73, that's right. And 506.99.07, that is also right. And this one 8 to 8 65. So all the levels are we are fetching correctly, and that indicator which is working right. So now we can filter out if any stocks which reversal from R5 level or R6 level. So we can easily create a scanners. So let me remove this, and we can try for a scanner creation. So that R5, R6, L5. So now just for a simple logic, so which we can create a scanners. Maybe we will be create n number of scanners for by using this Camarilla levels, and just try for a one scanner just for a study, and maybe 15 minutes the high, 15 minutes high greater than uh, greater than um, new R6. This is what a Camarilla R6 level, and it should be 1 day ago. Okay, so and the same copy it, low high is greater than, sorry, open. Instead of that open, it opened above and close, and it is closed below. It's a candle which is on a red candle, less than. If any stock which forming such a pattern on a R6 level, and that would be, it will be filtering out test. Just try it, any back test report. Okay, and here is some stock on 23rd August, MCX at 1245. So MCX 1245, exactly the same. 1140 also that what happened, and 1245, this is a thing which where we find it. Maybe it's a reversal. We will be trying for a reversal point. This is about a simple scanner. I'm not concluded that any scanner, but I'm just finding out how the stock is exactly forming such a reversal pattern at the highest level, that is an R6 level. Okay, and this would be a working one, so we will be easily finding out. And if you want to check it on the previous one, so MCX, and at this moment around 12:15, MCX would be there, which you have already seen, and this is a 245 of previous day. 22nd PEL. Let me check PEL 22nd, the 23rd. So this is 5 minutes. I'm talking about 15 minutes. 15 minutes. It's 11 o'clock. PEL R6 level open at 245. 245 exactly, that would be the candle which closing opening above the R6 level and closed below the R6 level. So maybe we will try with the scanner with this code, and it will be working very well. And this is what are levels which we have created with the charting. So normally the default charting, so we don't get an a Camarilla R4 R5 R6 indicators. We have to manually create and then we can utilize it. So this is a video which will be helping you to find out Camarilla R4. So maybe based on this values we can create scanners that will be helping you to find out trade. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching, and keep supporting and subscribing the channel to get more update. Thank you so much.